Hi everyone, hope you people are fine. I am doing good. People ask us what is recreation or special flights and who is eligible to travel. Basically, these are not a regular or scheduled flight. Recreation flights only operates when no other flight is operating or no other scheduled flight is operating to just evacuate or bring back citizens or national from other country in any disaster or uncircumstances. It should be booked by the embassy or designated travel agency after you register with the native embassies, and you need a prior permission to travel on these flights. Embassies only consider or give priority to the following people to travel back their home country. Number one, aged or citizen, senior citizens or sick people who want to travel for treatment except COVID-19. Number two, families whose parent or husband are not in originating country or not or in native country and cannot travel back to the resident country. So they will get a priority. Number three, people who are traveling with the dead body. They also get a priority. Number four, transit passenger who are traveling to home country and stuck in between the originating and destination country. So he will get or they will get also a priority to travel on the repatriation flights. Number five, it's if someone lost their job, okay, and they don't have way to survive, so they will also get a priority to travel on repatriation flights. Number six, prisoners. If some countries they release some prisoner, they also get a priority to travel on the repatriation flights. Pilgrims or visit visa holder, they also get a priority to travel on special flights. Number eight, someone family member dies, but it should be direct blood relation, and he need to attend funeral, uh, and that also it will he will get a special approval, then only he can travel. People advised to book ticket after shortlisted by the embassies. So please don't book your ticket unless you will not get pre-approval from the embassy for the repatriation flights. Because once you book this one, later you are not able to travel. Maybe most of the airline their policy are very strict. You non-refundable tickets are there. Changes they are very strict with the changes policy also. So we advise our members and clients, please don't book the ticket unless you are not assured that you are going to travel or you have a proper documentation for traveling to your home country.